I guess I could say this is an interesting rap battle, but not as interesting as you were when you became obsessed with the hotel. Carry that X around, well now we know. It seems to me that you don't have no skill. I didn't know that you were jotting in alcoholism. Are you sure you're gonna make the cut? Because I don't see what's up. Killing our mother in the chat. Come on, but lose your temper. Don't tell someone to run. Don't accept your fate or else you'll get all the hate. Crazy psychopath, but wait, what was your death date? Do you need me to give you some information? I'll cut up some information. I think you might have been drugged. Since you wanna know what's up, come on and show me your stuff. Okay, then you access the party. Just because all those things you said were true does not make you smarter. Did you make a green facial mask like they do in those YouTube videos? Let's rewind a backlash. Did I ever tell you that you belong in the swamp stretch? How many powers you have is probably like you Carrey's check. That's why your movie should go to heck. Just like this till you won't be the only one dead. You son of a hypocrite, you look at cricket who hasn't seen their own life. You're wearing a green ski mask, I'm going ski man. With that suit, so you look like MJ. Out of all the competitions I've had, you definitely were easiest. Huh, or really? Enlighten me. Explain to me why your identity is fake. Like you, someone gets to screw. Show them what I can do before I rip the mask off you. Ripping the mask off me? Please, I just wanna know why. It say you suffer from schizophrenia. So what if those tiny things grow with me? You're no better. It seems that every time you just keep getting wetter and wetter. Tell me why you love your wife and children, but still manage to go insane. No wonder you have schizophrenia, because nothing is ever going to change. Cutting makes you dumb and dumber. That's why I bring the thunder. Invitating a hotel caretaker, so that's why I want you to be my waiter. Wait, is this even coming together? Don't act like a trendsetter. It seems that you're a little under the weather. Now let me teach you something like those emotions showing behind the mask. Who's this? I'll give you a pass. Looks like you're just pure trash. Like if they dad just told me how it works, I don't know how to feel about that. Angel and Ross just know this ain't the last you see on me. I'll give you something more to bust.